In this video, we'll show you how to automate your garage door with the SONOFF MINI-ZBD smart switch. Inside the package, you will find Mini Dry Zigbee device, quick guide, pre-use instructions. Before installation, please check whether your garage door motor is compatible with the device. Please short-circuit the motor terminals originally used to connect to the wall switch. If the garage door starts moving, it means the motor is compatible. Before wiring, please make sure the power is turned off. Wire the device according to the wiring diagram. Turn on the power. Open the Zigbee Link app and tap Scan to scan the QR code on the device. Then follow the in-app instructions to add the device. After powering on for the first time, the indicator light will slowly flashing. If not, press and hold the button for 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. After adding the device successfully, enable the inching function. This step is required for pulse-type garage door motors. Once everything is done, you can remotely control your garage door directly from your phone. Now we'll bind a smart camera. After adding your smart camera to Zigbee Link, bind the camera within the MINI-ZBD settings. This allows you to view the camera's live feed directly from the device's main interface.